Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, I'm Rizky. I would like to tell about my mistake and my reason didn't come to our event in BEC, especially from Mr. B. Apologies and forgive me because I didn't come to event in BEC. So I have a lot of reason I don't I didn't come to event because actually the time I don't know the schedule. Schedule start at 8 7:30 or 8:30, I forgot. But I think when I saw the schedule I just shocked about what? It's the night schedule, but I think I have any agenda when the time at 8 8:30 because I'm native Pare. I have any agenda with my sibling. If you know, like when the time their event come, I I have any agenda with my sibling, especially from my sibling gets married in there, especially in village of Sekoto have events gets married. So when the time come, I didn't come to event of BSC because I have an agenda in there, and the agenda is become to after Maghrib until 8 o'clock, and I forgot to send letter to my chief or maybe to uh, our LA. But I think when I try to send right now, I think very late to send right now because the time is so long to me if I send now. So I apologize to my teacher Mr. B and our LA. I didn't come to event of PSC. So I want to tell about something the topic give from the teacher. Actually, when I first experience in TC and CDC program, I want to describe from the program of PSC actually. So when I was answering the TC program, I think it is very different from CDC program, because in TC program we have to a lot of schedule, a lot of time, come to class on time or maybe in time, and make me too disciplined about my behavior. Maybe when I was in city program I always late, I always come late when have like nightly even with MS. And actually my MS Mr. Omam always uh always what is it always push me if I let actually I know young person with my MS. I don't know why, I just want to make a funny from there from her. So have a lot of differences program in CDC and TC. Make me shock when I was try to enter the TC program. Must be come in time, must be discipline. Is not from your habit is you if have a bad habit, you can repairing your habit until you will be the winner. Like you can do it if you will be the disciplined person. So it's not from discipline, you have to change your behavior, your attitude from the teacher, or maybe your friend. It is the effect from your certificate, because I know the certificate of PEC very well to make me some make a example. Like if I want to answer another course, like another course in Paris, if I have a good certificate, like I get A score, or maybe B, it is very good from entering the course. And if a long time I study hard about BSA, I know about the lesson, I follow the rules, or maybe the good habit, behavior, attitude, something like that, I can get the good certificates to enter another course, or maybe will be the teacher in BSA. Yeah. Unbelievable. I don't think so. So the program differences CTC and TC is when I was CTC program BSA, I don't interested about this place, especially BSA. When I was senior high school, I graduated from there. I don't know. I want to will be awards. I want to. I don't know my planning, because I'm good to here, because I ever took in other university and I cannot apply. I cannot join, but I prefer to choose learn English because I'm native Pare. I was born in here. If I don't know about English, I can make I can very useless, because I'm native Pare. I don't understand about English. Very useless for me. And then right now I enter the unbelievable place. The namely is basic English course. Until now I can speak English well. I understand about English, maybe just a little bit is okay. Many people said to me that if you study in BSc, you have to discipline person, and you have to follow the rules of basic English course. And if you enter the BSc and you saw the big building, like the middle building, you can see about the words. It's been like, if you study in here, you have to study seriously. If you don't want to study seriously, you can back your hometown, you can take your things in your boarding house, go back, don't study in here. Because I'm very scared to hear it, to saw it, make me I must follow the rules. So the first experiences when I was TC is the many people different from CTC program. When I was CTC program, many people make me love about study together, gather to our base camp, like my friends boarding house. We will gather and we will try to do it any example. or maybe if I don't understand about the lesson, I can ask from my friends, because this what is it, the our friend in CDC program is to uh, always gather or maybe teach together if someone don't want about the lesson. So, and then the different the differences material in CTC and TC very different. So when I was CTC program, I learned about the middle, the basic lesson, like like tenses, like, but actually I don't know about tenses anything. I just want to learn, and then after that I remember it is very difficult for me to remember, because I have a lot of tenses until 16 tenses, make me lazy and make me tired, and sometimes if I try to remember, I can't remember because of what? Because the tenses have a lot of tenses, right? I don't know why. I try to weigh about. I will ask to my friends, how do I to remember about the tenses? And my friends say to me that you just remember in your brain. Don't be lazy, bro. Make me in my heart is it is true to remember, and until now I remember, but sometimes I just forgot, sometimes just remember again. It's make me too interested about senses. So the program of TC is we can continue program CTC, and we will follow the new material like adjective clause, gerunds, or maybe something. If someone to be lazy man in this TC program, and you cannot do it any lesson, you you cannot do it any lesson, because is the TC program very very many people told me about in TC program. This very simple, very super easy. But when I try to answer what the program is this? The teacher speak 100% English to teach to teach student, very important to me to understand about the lesson, because 100% use English from teach. And sometimes when I don't understand about the teacher teach for us, I just ask from myself, from my, but I ask to bahasa. But I don't know why it make me simple if I try to ask used to bahasa. So I hope I have to enter any event in BAC in time, or maybe on time. When I don't when I don't answer any program, I can send the letter from my chief or maybe my LA, and I don't want to repeat again my mistake. So forgive me, and I just telling from my mistake, and I don't know why I do it mistake bad to make me bad to repeat any mistake again. So I think that's all to my telling my story about my mistake. So I don't want to repeat again my mistake, like I didn't come to the event or maybe come late. This is my habit actually. So thank you very much. And last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.